Yeah.
I
Yes,
watched
ma'am.
your videos. I came across your channel today.
Oh, really,
Yes,
ma'am? It's
I
my
did.
pleasure.
No, it was
Wow.
mine. I,
Me, where you I will be.
I'm good, ma'am. I'm good. What about you, ma'am?
I am good too. I'm good too. Thank you. Today I'm seeing your background has changed. You're sitting somewhere else today. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I have written. I have written. I'm so. I just, I create my background. Means
Okay.
something good. Means looking good. So that's why
Yeah.
just. I just today it means yeah, 1 week ago, I bought notes, stick notes.
Okay.
So it's help to me, ma'am, to learn vocabulary. Yeah,
Okay. Very nice.
as well as my background, well, looking good. So yeah, yeah, man. So
Superb.
it's
It
it's
is. It
it's
is
like
looking.
I just create I just created my mahal means environment to looking means English. Yeah.
Yeah. That is so nice. That is actually very creative of you, Shahid. Yeah.
Oh, thank you, man.
Okay.
Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. So how's your day going?
My day was good, ma'am. What about you?
Yes. Pretty busy with sessions only. So yeah. Whole
Yes,
day
yes.
goes
You are.
like this only.
Yes, you are enjoy a lot. Yeah, I have. I have. Yes, man. I have watched lots of yours, man. Yeah, on YouTube.
Oh, really? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I
Yes,
watched
man.
your videos. I came across your channel today.
Oh, really,
Yes,
ma'am? It's
I
my
did.
pleasure.
No,
Wow.
it was mine. I actually came across your channel today and it was so good to see that
Wow.
people really like you and the way you talk and the way you upload videos. It was so good to see.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I can't believe I never believe
Oh,
you
come, no, I
videos
did.
because I haven't told you means this is my channel and you go there. I haven't seen it. I haven't told you, right?
No, Rex,
But
you did not tell me. This is what I was quite, I was perplexed watching your channel. I was like, oh, that's Shahid, I know him. And I didn't know you're that famous on YouTube. You have good number of subscribers and they like you, your videos. I felt
yes, ma'am.
really good after watching your videos, that, and also I felt like really good that I was a part of your videos and I felt like, wow, I'm a part of his channel too. So it was very
So nice, ma'am.
nice.
Now I'm over the moon, ma'am. Yeah, I can say now I'm over the moon. Really, man. You so I didn't believe. Means
Yeah,
I can't believe ever means you are teacher in or you are classical
yeah.
teacher. You know my videos. Amazing.
Oh
Yes.
no, please. I am actually very excited. I was really excited to come across your channel when I saw it on the page of Clippingo, and I was like, wow, his channel is there. And I saw your videos also, and the way people have responded to your videos, they really like. So it
Yes.
was fabulous. Great
Yes.
job, Sahib.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
How do
Thank
you
you.
how do you find the time to go about your posting of videos on YouTube channel? I'm sure you stay pretty busy with your work.
Yes, yes. My brother helped to me. My cousin brother he helped me sometime. So that it's possible, ma'am. Yeah. Uh,
Okay, so he helps you. All
yes, yes,
right.
yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Though. When did you start?
I started means 4 months ago.
4 months back. Okay, wow,
Yes.
that's quite good. Really like it, Shahid. Keep it up.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, definitely I will. So
Yes,
today I
absolutely.
would talk about, ma'am. Means we have covered tenses, present, past, future. We have covered it.
Yes, right.
And now I move ahead something about model, ma'am. Just like should have and use of should have. Yeah, ma'am. Uh,
User should have and
and should only, ma'am. Should and should have. Yeah, ma'am.
should have. Okay, all right. These are the only things you want to know.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Should and should have. Okay. As we know, should what exactly is meant by should is that something that is expected out of us, right? Doing
Okay.
something that is expected out of us.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
For example, while driving, you should always wear your seatbelt. Simple example I'm giving in the beginning.
Could you come again, ma'am? I didn't means I
While
didn't.
driving, you should always wear your seatbelt.
Okay, yeah, that's true, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
This is something that is expected out of you, right? It is an expectation that whenever you're driving, you are supposed to wear your seatbelt.
Yes, true, ma'am.
Okay? At that time, we use should.
Okay. It's
Okay?
something if we want expect to someone, so that time we can use. Okay, we can say
Should.
use
Right.
should. Okay.
For the pandemic, after coming from outside, you should always wash your hands. This is something now
True,
that
ma'am.
is expected out of you, right? In order to protect yourself,
True,
in order
ma'am.
to
True,
save others, it is expected that you wash your hands once you're home from outside. Okay?
true, ma'am.
Yes, this
Yeah,
is the
yeah.
thing. Second, coming on to should have. Okay?
No, no. First, I was just wanted to, ma'am, more example, ma'am. Should only should. Give me some more example, ma'am.
Okay. One we gave of the driving one. Second we gave of the pandemic one. Third, let's just say we should always obey traffic rules.
We should always obey the traffic rule.
Obey
Okay.
traffic rules. Again,
Okay, ma'am.
being a citizen, it is expected out of you that you
Yes.
follow the rules. You
Follow
don't
the.
disrespect them,
Okay.
right? Again, an expectation
Yes.
that the
True.
government has towards us that you should follow traffic rules.
Yes.
Something
Okay.
that is ideally correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
At that time, we use should.
Okay.
Giving you
So
three.
okay.
Yeah,
So lack. Okay, I will give example. Lack, ma'am.
absolutely.
Means you should go. You should go there. You should
Okay?
go there.
You should go there. Okay, let me connect this sentence to an incident. Okay? For example, let's just hypothetically, you have a friend and his father is really ill. Okay? Hello?
Okay.
Shahid? Yes, yes, I can see you now. Okay. For example, you have a friend, okay, and his father is really ill. Hypothetically, he's really ill. So, being a friend, it is something
Okay.
expected out of you that you should go and visit that person to console him, to be on his side, to help him in this tough situation. Okay, so at that time you can say you should go there. You should go to his
Okay.
place, be with him for a while because that is what is expected out of you.
Expectation. Okay. So only
Yes,
expectation, ma'am, we can use means should means some
generally. Yeah.
generally. But sometimes if I want to advise to someone, so that time we can use means if I will advise to someone,
Advice,
someone will
you will
advise.
give an advice to someone when that advice is an expectancy, right? That
Yeah,
is
that is also
expected out of
that is
somebody.
also
Yes,
okay. Both are same.
right.
Okay, both are
Yes.
same.
Like
Okay.
for example, when we say you should start studying, your exams are nearby. So this is an advice you're giving to that person.
Yes,
But
yes,
on the same hand, this is something expected out of that person also. That your exams are near. So what is the right thing to do? That you must start studying.
yes. You must start it. Okay, ma'am.
Right. So you give an advice that you should start studying. Your exams are just around the corner, etc., etc.
Okay. So you did say, ma'am, you should go there. So you should go there. It is a present form, right, ma'am? It is a present moment we are talking about.
Present moment, but in future reference.
Yeah.
You haven't really gone there.
Yeah,
Right.
but yeah, we go there. We will go there, but we are talking about who said to you, who say now, who says present moment, like
You
present
should go
moment.
there.
You
Right.
should go.
At the
You are
present moment.
yeah. So in present moment we can use. Okay.
Right.
So after
Uh,
should we, what we will
telling
use,
you
ma'am?
in
After
telling you
should
in another form that you will go in the future, but the ideal thing to do is expected out of you at the present moment. Okay,
in
obviously
the
you'll do
present
it in
moment.
the future, but the advice is given you on the basis of the present scenario. Yes, you're right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Sorry, what were you
So
asking?
after should, ma'am. Yeah, I was saying that after you should, what form we will use?
Shahid, your voice broke. I didn't hear you. After should, what form we should use?
You got my? Can you hear me, man?
Yes, I can hear you, Shahid,
Hello,
but
can you
your
hear me?
video is stuck. Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay, okay,
Good.
okay. But what about now, ma'am? Yeah, yeah.
I can hear you, but again, the video is not moving.
Yes, yes.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you, but your picture pause, ma'am.
Oh, my picture is also not moving. I don't know what
Okay,
happened.
okay. Just wait a moment. Maybe it will fine.
Okay, maybe. That's okay. You can ask me if there is a doubt you want to ask. I hope. I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
know if
I
you
was
can
saying
move
that,
or.
ma'am, means after should we can use first form or we use second form.
All the examples that I gave you, they use the present form. Should wear, should follow, should obey, all were in present form.
No, all is present form, ma'am. But I was
Yes,
saying that we can use first form or we can use second form or we can use third form. What we will use
first form,
after should first form. Okay,
first
that
form.
is my concern, ma'am. Okay, now
Yes,
you go
first
more.
form.
Now you move ahead about
Should have.
will sorry should have. Yeah, now you move ahead.
Shahid, is your network okay
I don't
today?
know, is something wrong from your side or from my side, ma'am?
Yes,
I
yes, yes,
don't
it's
know
good.
which side.
I have no idea. Maybe it's Zoom. If your network is good, my network is also good, so it's a Zoom problem. Anyways, yeah, so you all should have, right? It was
Yes,
should have. So moving
yes,
on
ma'am.
to should have, the next thing is when we use should have is that something that you should have done but you did not do. Okay? This is generally taken in the past form. Should have. Okay? For example,
Okay,
I should have worked harder for my exam. So this is a regret that you are showing, right? You regret this thing that you did not work hard enough for your exams, but now it's gone. That opportunity has passed you. Now it cannot be back. So you will say, I should have worked harder.
okay. You should have work harder. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
That's true. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Something,
One.
ma'am, means something we in the past we supposed to do, but we
Yes.
didn't do,
Didn't do.
and and we are regret. Now we are regret in present moment, right, ma'am?
Exactly. Now we are regretting that moment that we didn't do it when we had the chance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
More
ma'am. Yeah.
examples, giving more
You
examples.
have give example about.
Yeah. One example is done. I will try to use the next example.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah. Go ahead, ma'am. Yeah, give me
Second,
more example.
let me just
Then
say,
it will.
I
Yeah.
should have eaten less in the morning. Okay, you see, we are using the participle form here of eat. I should have eaten less in the
Yes.
morning.
Yes.
Okay, so it's like now
Yes.
you're
True.
regretting. You ate too much. You ate too much in the morning that now you are, looking back at your decision like I should have eaten less in the morning. I'm too full now. Okay, so this was like something that you wanted to do. You wanted to eat less, but you did
Yes.
not,
True.
and
True.
now you are regretting that thing that I should have eaten less, but I did not. So I've eaten a lot at that time. Okay, this was our second
Yes.
example.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Okay. So
You
now
would
I will
like
give
to
it
try
now.
one?
Yeah. So now I will give example. You will rectify my mistake.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So like, ma'am, uh, suppose that me and my friend we are talking yesterday. We were talking each other yesterday. Okay. And I shouted to him. Okay. I shouted to him. And now in present moment, now at the moment, I am just thinking I shouldn't have shouted to him. I should have, sorry, I should have, yes, I should not have sorted to him. It is a negative form, ma'am, right?
Not, yes,
I
negative,
shouldn't have
not negative.
sorted to him.
I'm so sorry, Shahid, I'm not getting the verb
Yeah,
that
it is
you're
a negative
using.
form. Okay, I will,
Sorted. You're using sorted.
no, not sorted, man. Sorted means SAUTED, means sorted means
Shouted.
sorted
Okay,
means
okay.
use
Okay,
means
okay, okay.
use
Correct, correct. To scream at
sorted. Yeah,
someone. To scream at someone,
yeah,
right?
sorted.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
I
sorted.
should not have shouted at him. Very good. Absolutely correct.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, I will give you another example. Like, suppose that, ma'am, I will. Yesterday, I went to the market and I bought this T-shirt. Okay, now I'm regretting, because I don't like this T-shirt. So I can
Yes.
say now I shouldn't. Yeah, yes, I shouldn't have bought that T-shirt. That is
Absolutely.
also
Perfect.
negative.
I should not bought this
That
t-shirt.
is also,
Yes, negative again.
yeah.
Converting
Okay.
your sentence only into a more positive way, like you said, I should not have bought this t-shirt. Instead, I should have bought the other one I like.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Yes, yes.
Both. Present or
Okay.
positive
So
also, negative also.
yeah, in another use of should have, ma'am, like, you should have a smartphone. Now you don't have a smartphone, so we can say you shouldn't have a. Sorry, you should have a smartphone.
Yes.
It is
You should have
another use of should
you should
have.
have a smartphone, but you are using the have in a different way now. You are using have in sense of a possession. Should have is
Yes.
different. Using have as a verb is different.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
So
Okay.
in this sentence, we are not using should have. We are using should.
Yeah. But
Okay?
in
Yes.
position, if we were talking about any, if we are talking about position thing, so that time we can use should have. That, man, in
Possession. Yes.
position
Possession you can use
position.
should have. Right.
Yeah, yeah. Something, suppose that you don't have a car at the moment. So now
Yeah.
I'm just giving you. It is just, we can say it is a right. Just, I'm just saying to you, you should have a car.
You should have a car, right? For example, this is
It is,
a concern that you have towards me, okay? That I want to travel to my workplace, but I'm having a lot of difficulties using the public transport. So you're giving me an advice. You should have a car so that you can travel in a
yes,
better way, okay?
yes,
So that
true, true,
becomes an
ma'am.
advice.